Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Madden NFL 24 is having controller is not working or the gamepad is not working issue and how we can fix this. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about you have to start with a restart. So just do a simple restart. Just go over here in the start, click on this icon, go to the power icon over here, go for a restart. So once restart is successfully done, just try launching the game. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So start with a simple restart. Next one is all about we have to disable the Steam input. For doing this, we just need to go over here in the game, right click over here and go to the properties, go to the controller over here. As you can see by default, this is usually set into this. So right now, override for Madden NFL 24 is in default setting. So the first one, you can keep this to enabled Steam input, try launch the game. If the enabled Steam input is not working, try setting this to disabled Steam input and try launch the game. So if this has to be worked, any one of either enabled Steam input might be working or else disabled Steam input might be working. You can try with any one of this thing. Or you can keep this to use default settings and try launch the game. Once afterwards, try whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably that will be working fine for you guys as well. Next one is all about we need to disconnect other peripherals, which is such as mouse, joystick, controller, everything should be disconnected. And once after the game is successfully launched, just connect it back and try launching the game. And it worked for many users in my knowledge. I found this on the Reddit as well as even in the Steam community. It worked for many users, so you can try this out. Next one is all about we need to launch the game in the big picture mode. For launching the game in the big picture mode, we have to go over here in the Steam, just go over here at the top. That is called enter big picture mode. Just click on this one so that you will be in the big picture mode like this. And once you log into the big picture mode, just follow the instruction. And now, right now, as you can see, the Madden NFL is there. So select this one and try launch the game. That will be working fine for you guys. For many users, when they launch the game in the big picture mode, it worked for them, so you can try this out. Once after that, if you wanted to exit from the Steam, just go over here in the menu. Now from here, go to the power. And there is an option called exit big picture mode. So just click this one and you will be retaken back to the Steam, and you can go to the game over here and you can try playing the game. And even after exiting the big picture mode, still the issues there. You can also try with turning off the Steam overlay. So just go over here, right click over here and go to the properties. Make sure this is turned off. If it is enabled, you have to turn this off. And once you turn this off, just try launch the game. Last and the least one is all about you can try with. You need to use wired controller instead of wireless. Try the controllers if you're trying to play. In the cases, you have to use the wired controller. And the next one is all about we have to update the Xbox. If you are using it, just go over here in the Microsoft Store. You have to search for the Microsoft Store, and from here you have to download an app which is called Xbox Accessories. You have to download this particular app. First search for the Microsoft over here, and now go for the Xbox Accessories. So if you don't have this particular one, just download this one. So right now I'm having this, so just download this one. And once after that, what happens is you have to update your controller from using this, and most probably that will be working fine for you guys as well. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you're having an issue with Madden NFL 24 is having controller or gamepad is not working, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.